Good morning friends, today I'm going to give you a review on Boat Stone 300. So it is a new version, like we can say a new version of Boat Stone 200, a new and advanced version. And actually I have been using it for almost 2 months, so I thought now it's a time to give a review on this amazing speaker. Okay, in the front if you see, it has the Boat logo, grill, and I have this black version. In black version this panels will come in gray, and it also has two more other colors, which is blue and red, which also has as equally good as this one. So in the upper side we have the volume up button, pause button, volume decrease button, and the power button. And in between in the below we have this like tripod moldable, or we can like another adapter will get, in which we can like fix it in the bicycles and all for that. And in the side, left side, we will get USB to aux in, so it's waterproof completely. So yeah, it's a bit tight. Wait a second. Yeah, so here we can find a micro USB cable and a micro USB cable and audio output, audio jack 3.5mm jack, and the other side nothing is there. So yeah, so let me power on the speaker for you guys.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. You're now connected.
Okay friends, now I'll give you a audio test of the speaker. Like that you can just get to know about the bass and the audio quality of the speaker. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching.